Introspection. Introspection can be a powerful tool to replace limiting thoughts with empowering ones that align with your true potential. By examining your thoughts and beliefs, you can gain insight into their origins and challenge their validity. Here's how you can use introspection to make this transformation. Goals. 1. Create a safe space. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can introspect without distractions. This can be a designated area in your home or a peaceful outdoor location. Potential. 2. Mindful breathing. Start with a few minutes of mindful breathing to center yourself and bring your focus to the present moment. Take deep breaths and let go of any tension. Yourself. 3. Identify limiting thoughts. Reflect on your thoughts and beliefs. Identify the ones that limit your self-belief and potential. Write them down to gain clarity. Here's how. 4. Explore the origin. Examine the origin of these limiting thoughts. Were they influenced by past experiences, criticism from others, or societal expectations? Understanding the source can help you detach from them. 5. Challenge negative beliefs. Question the validity of your limiting thoughts. Ask yourself if there is concrete evidence to support them. Often you'll find that these beliefs are based on assumptions rather than reality. 6. Counter with empowering thoughts. Once you've recognized the limiting thoughts, create empowering counterstatements that align with your true potential and strengths. Make them positive, specific, and future-oriented. 7. Affirmations. Turn your empowering thoughts into affirmations. Repeat them regularly, preferably daily, to reinforce these new beliefs about yourself. Use affirmations in the present tense to make them more impactful. Work. 8. Visualize success. Practice visualization exercises where you see yourself succeeding and achieving your goals. Imagine yourself confidently embracing your potential and realizing your aspirations. 9. Journaling. Write in a journal about your introspective journey. Document your limiting thoughts, the empowering reframes, and the progress you make. This can be a powerful way to track your growth. 10. Set realistic goals. Set clear and achievable goals that reflect your true potential. Break them down into smaller steps and celebrate each achievement along the way. 11. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself throughout this process. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion and understand that everyone faces challenges on their journey of self-improvement. 12. Learn from mistakes. View mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace failures as stepping stones to success, as they can offer valuable lessons. 13. Surround yourself with support. Seek support from friends, family, or a mentor who can encourage and uplift you. Positive influences can reinforce your empowering beliefs. 14. Consistency and patience. Changing thought patterns takes time and consistency. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Introspection can be a transformative practice when used to challenge and replace limiting thoughts with empowering ones. By regularly examining your beliefs and adopting empowering perspectives, you can align with your true potential and pave the way for personal growth and success.